Hi, here we have once I had been to the post office to buy 5 rupee, 2 rupee and 1 rupee stamps. I paid the clerk 20 rupees and since he had no change, he gave me 3 more 1 rupee stamps. Fine. So he wanted to buy a 5 rupee stamp, 2 rupee stamp and 1 rupee stamp. Okay, this is the denomination of the stamps. Now how many stamps? The number of stamps that he buys is, let's say, X of these, Y of these and Z of these. This is what he wanted to buy. Fine. Now he paid a total of 20 rupees for this. So the value of these X stamps of 5 rupees will be 5 into X. This will be 2 into Y and this will be 1 into Z. And this total, to buy this whole amount, this total number of stamps, he gave the clerk 20 rupees. But since clerk did not have change, he gave him 3 more 1 rupee stamps. That means he ultimately got 3 more than what he wanted. So he ends up buying Z plus 3 1 rupee stamps. This is what he ultimately bought, and the total amount of this will be 20 rupees. The clerk did not give any change, he just gave 1 rupee stamps. So the total value of these X stamps of 5 rupees each will be 5 into X. Similarly, this will be 2 into Y and this will be 1 into Z plus 3. So the total value of all these stamps must be 20 rupees. Right? So let's see. We have 5X plus 2Y plus Z is equal to 3 goes on the right side, becomes 17. This is what we have. Now the question also says that if I had ordered initially, the number of stamps of each type that I had ordered initially was more than 1, then what was the total number of stamps that I had bought? So the value of X, Y and Z, this is the number of stamps that of each type that he wanted to buy. So X, Y and Z, all of them are greater than 1. So the least value of each of these 3 will be 2. X, Y, Z should be either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 and so on. So even if we consider the least value of X, Y, Z, if X is exactly 2, 5 into 2 is 10 rupees, 2 into 2 is 4 rupees and Z is 2 rupees. So together it costs 16. Even if we assume X, Y and Z to be 2 rupees, the total cost comes out to be 16, but the total cost here should be 17. That means we will have to buy one more stamp or more stamps basically. So can it be a 5 rupee stamp? No. If you buy another 5 rupee stamp, then the cost will exceed 17. Can you buy a 2 rupee stamp? No. If you buy another 2 rupee stamp, the cost will become 18. Not possible, cost should be 17. Hence you must buy another 1 rupee stamp. So Z should be equal to 3. So X and Y and Z, so from here we get that X should be 2, Y should be 2 and Z should be equal to 3. This is what he must have wanted to buy. So the total cost of this is 17 rupees. So if he gives 20 rupees for a 17 rupees item, he must get 3 rupees back. But instead of 3 rupees back, he got 3 stamps of 1 rupee more. So now the question is, what is the total number of stamps that he bought? The total number of stamps is 2 stamps of 5 rupee, 2 of 2 rupees and 6 of 1 rupee. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. So the total number of stamps bought by him is option A, 10. Thank you.